homemade remedies to stop coughing immediately, working 100%. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are new to here then please subscribe this channel with click on bell button, so that you never miss any latest upcoming video. We are passing around and getting over various winter bugs with their share of fevers, aches, sniffles, sneezes and coughs. Often hanging around for days, or even weeks, after the initial cold is gone. Coughs are the worst. Anything that causes you to lose sleep while straining all the muscles in your chest, back and neck is something you want to heal as quickly as possible. The recipe for getting better in our house is lots of homemade, pasture-raised chicken broth, Netflix videos, and one or two of these favorite homemade cough remedies. I can't take credit for inventing any of these natural cough relievers. They came to me over time and were adapted to fit our needs, just as they have probably been passed along from mom to mom, with minor variations for thousands of years. Here are the remedies. 1. Honey and ginger cough syrup. You can take this remedy 2 to 3 times in a day, or is needed to soothe sore throat and dry coughing. To make this remedy, take 2-inch knob of fresh ginger, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Peel off the ginger, and then finely grate ginger into a small bowl. Squeeze grated ginger through a fine mesh sieve, or just use your fingers, to release about 1 teaspoon of juice. Don't use pulp of the ginger. Finally, mix a teaspoon of fresh ginger juice thoroughly into the 1 tablespoon of honey. Take the syrup right away, swallowing slowly and deliberately, and say goodbye to cough. 2. Thyme oil vapor steam. This simple, time-tested remedy for clogged noses and congested lungs is also antibacterial. For this purpose, take 1 large bowl full of fresh water. Avoid chlorinated tap water if you can, and then add 10 to 30 drops thyme essential oil. This oil can be purchased by online. Boil the water till steaming, and then cover your head with a towel and hold your face over the bowl, allowing the towel to form a steam tent around your head. Inhale and breathe deeply and calmly. If the scent of thyme is not strong enough to make a difference to your sinuses, add another 5 to 10 drops, as needed. Dear viewers, these are homemade remedies, and it is dead sure that temperaments are vitiated individual to individual. So, if your cough not cures, then you should consult your family doctor for proper treatment.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like it, share it with others on social media.